Hey, this is Hans, coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today we've got a box from Singapore. This is something fancy. I guess we'll have to open it up and see what's inside. I'll say one thing, it's not noodles, so let's have a look. Well, what have we here? This definitely looks fancy. So I'll let you in on what it is. It's Mooncake. Prima Taste makes instant noodles. Prima, I think it's Prima Bakery? Prima Baking? It's a big company. They're basically a huge flour mill. So if you want a baked product or a processed product that uses flour, they're all set up already. So they make lots of cool stuff. And one of the things they make is mooncakes. See what they sent here. Yeah, here's a little bit of information about the different varieties that they have. I was told too that I was looking at their Instagram and they have like durian flavor and all sorts of just like really fancy varieties. Those have to be on ice. Oh, here they are, I think. Yeah, durian with chocolate, mini Earl Grey, mini black sesame almonds. Yeah, check these out. That is super snazzy. I guess I'll have to go over to Singapore someday so I can try them. Cool, well thank you. Let's look at what else is in here. Okay, yeah, so this is from Prima Deli. Like deli, not like New Delhi, but like a delicatessen. Anyways, what's with the bag? So one thing about this time of year, it's the Mid-Autumn Festival coming up. And if you have an Asian grocery store nearby, chances are they're gonna have mooncake, they might have pineapple cake, they're gonna have a whole slew of things in really fancy packaging. And some of them are honestly quite expensive and very ornate, and it's really neat to check things out and give them a try. And that's been something I've been doing for the last couple of years, and it's a really cool holiday. I can put a link below to some information about the history of it, but yeah, ornate packaging is very forefront in the whole mooncake field. So let's see what's in this nice bag. Okay, yeah, this definitely falls under the category of fancy, folks. I mean, the lid, it's like it's got a pillow top to it, and the lid is inside the top. I've never seen anything like that before. But yeah, this is really cool. And then here we are. We have two different kinds of mooncake. And I think I ought to just go ahead and try some and let you see what it looks like on the inside. Check that out. Alright, so here we have a nice little mooncake. Let's zoom in on that really quick so you can get a nice look at that. So yeah, they're very ornate. They are very rich and very decadent. Let's see what they look like. This one, it says it's the light sugar lotus seed with yolk. So, and they come with a knife, and yeah. Oh, and a desiccant. So there you go, check that out. This stuff is really heavy duty. Like, this is definitely a nice big piece. And you can see right there, that part in the middle, that's the yolk. So I believe it's duck yolk. I don't know for positive, but all right, cheers. It has the same kind of consistency as a light caramel in a way. It might be less sugar, but it's still very sweet. And the yolk has a little bit of saltiness. I think it's like salted duck yolk. Yeah, I actually like this the best because all the other ones that I've tried have been less moist, and this has just like a good level of moistness to it. If you want to know what it tastes like, yeah, it's like, it doesn't taste like egg, but the center does have a saltiness to it, a little hint. And the outside reminds me of kind of like a thick, creamy, cakey, ultra rich and smooth, almost brown sugary kind of hit to it. And the very outside, really, I've never found it to have much flavor at all, but I believe it's just like flour. But yeah, check that out. I mean, it's so ornate. I love these things. They just fascinate me. But thank you so much to the folks at Prima Taste. They sent me this last year. Mainly because I asked, hey, can you send me some? This year I didn't ask, I totally spaced it, and they remembered, so that was really nice of them, so thanks. All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramenerator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your mooncakes every day. Well, not every day. These are pretty heavy duty, but you know what I mean. All right, have a good one. Bye.